Well, I think that as a manager, we have enough problem with our team to talking about other teams. So I will not answer begin about that. The only thing that I can say that we have important restrictions about, as I just said, about the amount of money that we can spend and the amount of players. Frank Lampard was a free player, so we don't spend any money again in bringing him from New York City, and from New York City, from Manchester City, was a free player. I don't understand reaction of Chelsea fans that say that he's a traitor because he's not in Chelsea. The problem was not that Frank Lampard didn't want to sign another contract with Chelsea. Chelsea didn't want him anymore. He wants to continue playing, and I think he's a competitive player, so it's very important for our team. But we didn't spend money in him, so the rules of financial fair play doesn't have any relation with Lampard. Well, of course, it's not a friendly match. It's an important game against an important team as Arsenal. Maybe both team, Arsenal and our team, we don't arrive in our best moment for playing the Community Shield, because both teams has a lot of players that just arrived from the World Cup. But I think that it will be a very good game. It's important both teams to win it, and we'll try to do it.